So hello friends, today we are starting a new video. The topic of the video is Olympic and India's performance Olympic. So first of all we will discuss about what is Olympic, and then after we will discuss about India's performance Olympic. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. So the modern Olympic Games, or we call it Olympics, are leading international sporting event, and Olympic features summer and winter sport competitions. We all know that there are two competitions in Olympic, that is Summer Olympic and second is Winter Olympic. And in this, thousands of athletes take place from around the world and participate in variety of competition to win the medal and to represent their country. This we all know that. And the Olympic Games are considered the world's foremost sports competition with more than 200 nations participating. So in Olympic there are 200 nations participating. No, there are not 200 nations participating. More than 200 nations are participating in Olympic, and it is the almost all the country of the world which are participating in Olympic. And Olympic games are normally held every 4 years. Yes, we all know that Olympic is held every 4 years, and alternating between the summer and winter Olympics every 2 years in the 4 year period. Means gap of 2 years, summer Olympic and winter Olympics are held. Means if in 2020 summer Olympic is held, then in 2022 winter Olympic will be held. Then after 2024 summer Olympic will be held. Then after 2026 winter Olympic will be held. Means in the gap of 2 years summer and winter Olympic are held. Okay, so this creation was inspired by the ancient Olympic Games, which was held in Olympia, Greece, from the 8th century BC to the 4th century AD. Baron Pierre de Coubertin founded the International Olympic Committee (IOC) in 1894, leading to the first modern games in Athens in 1896. So, Baron Pierre de Coubertin founded IOC, which is International Olympic Committee, in 1894, and which led to the first modern Olympic in Athens in 1896. And from 1896 till now, Olympic is played all over the world at the interval of 4 years. And the IOC is the governing body of the Olympic movement, with the Olympic Charter defining its structure and authority. So, like a country has a governing body, like in India, we have a governing body which make law, execute law, and then the system of court is there, that we call it legislative, executive, and judiciary. Like that only, sport also have a governing body which governs it, rules it, and give the structure how it will be. So IOC does the same thing in Olympic. It define the structure and authority of in Olympic and make rules also. Okay, so the Olympic Games has 35 sports, 30 disciplines, and 408 events. For example, if we take wrestling, is a summer Olympic sport, and it has two disciplines, which is Greco-Roman and freestyle. And if we further broke it, then 14 events for men and 4 events for women is in wrestling, and each representing a different weight. Okay, so the summer Olympic program includes 26 sports, while the winter Olympic program features 15 sports. Athletics, swimming, fencing, and artistic gymnastics are the only summer sports that have never been absent from the Olympic program. Athletics, swimming, fencing, and artistic gymnastics from 1896 to this year Olympic, it has never been absent in the Olympic. This in summer Olympic, it has never been absent. It is very important question or topic or fact that athletic, swimming, fencing, and artistic gymnastics have never been absent from the Olympic since 1896. So and what yes, cross country skiing, figure skating, ice hockey, Nordic combined ski jumping, and speed skating also is a Winter Olympic Games which has not been absent since 1896. So these were the sports which has never been absent till since 1896, and we pray that it should not be absent also. And current Olympic sports like badminton, basketball, and volleyball first appeared on the program as demonstration sports and were later promoted to full Olympic sports. Some sports that were featured in earlier games were later dropped from the program. Okay. So, with 7 medals, 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze, Tokyo 2020 has been the most decorated Olympic Games in India's history. So, Tokyo 2020, which is held this year, is the best performance India has ever given in the Olympic since 1896. And India has never got this much progress in Olympic ever, and this is the best ever performance of India in Olympics. So we can say that India is progressing in sport, and we should encourage more so that India should be in top, not at 48th position this time in the world. So India is a progressing country, so it will progress and it can achieve first position if we encourage the people to watch Olympic and to encourage who is playing Olympic games. Okay, so who have won the medals for India are, first of all we will talk about Neeraj Chopra, who is the most highlighted person in the news and everywhere, who has got the gold medal in javelin throw. And then after we will talk about Mirabai Chanu, who got silver medal in weightlifting. And then we will talk about Ravi Dahiya, silver men's 57 kg freestyle event, he got silver medal. PV Sindhu got bronze in badminton, men's hockey team got bronze, and Lovilla Borgen got bronze in boxing, Bajrang Punia got bronze in wrestling. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, but 1 minute. What a glorious mark he has made. So now thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video then subscribe, like and share, and let's meet in the new video.